Trying to figure out the best way to clean your Frigidaire glass or induction cooktop? No worries, cleaning is easy. To get started, simply apply a cooktop cleaner. Try Frigidaire Ready Clean. It's safe for glass, ceramic, and induction cooktops. It will protect the surface from dust and dirt while also maintaining the finish. Using Frigidaire Ready Clean is easy. To be on the safe side, always make sure the cooktop is completely cool. Shake the cleaner well and apply a few drops of glass and ceramic cleaner directly to the cooktop. Use a paper towel or cloth to clean the entire cooktop surface. Buff the glass with a soft, clean cloth until there's no residue. Whether using Frigidaire Ready Clean for the first time or as part of general cleaning, it's sure to maintain the protective coating. Some friendly do's and don'ts to keep in mind to ensure the best care for your Frigidaire range. It's best to lift your pots and pans when moving or adjusting them on your glass or ceramic cooktop surface. Sliding your cookware across can leave markings on the surface. Also, be sure to check your cookware. Those with a rough bottom can mark or scratch the cooktop surface. If you notice scratches or marks on the cooking surface, you'll want to use your cooktop cleaner as soon as the surface is cool. Marks like these can potentially become permanent if not removed before you use the cooktop again. For heavy or cooked-on spills, apply glass and ceramic cooktop cleaner directly to the soiled area. Rub the spot using a non-abrasive scrubbing pad, applying pressure as needed. Visit Frigidaire.com to see how Frigidaire Ready Clean can help you easily clean and care for your range. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.